Hi everyone, I'm Veronica with dailyfoods.com, and today I wanted to share with you a free 7-day Daniel Fast meal plan printable that I have available on my website. And I just wanted to do a quick overview of this meal plan so that you can have an idea of what to expect and how to start a Daniel Fast for 7 days. So this menu is very simple to prepare because it repeats the same smoothie, hot beverage, snack, and lunches every day throughout the fast, and the breakfast and dinners change on day 5. For example, the first 4 days of the fast, you'll enjoy oatmeal or oat bars for breakfast, and then you'll have queso, black beans, greens, and rice bowls for dinner. Then on the last 3 days of the fast, you'll enjoy a tofu scramble for breakfast and roasted potatoes and vegetables for dinner. So because this is a repeating menu, the meal prep is very easy. Just 2 days of meal prep are required for this fast, and you'll portion the meals ahead of time so that you can have easy reheating and enjoying throughout the fast. I created this menu based on the Daily Dozen, which dietary recommendations, which can be found at nutritionfacts.org. The Daily Dozen recommends daily servings of whole foods, legumes, leafy greens, whole grains, cruciferous vegetables, regular vegetables, fruits, berries, nuts, and seeds. So you can learn more about the Daniel Fast on my website, dailyfoods.com, where I share the ultimate guide to starting a Daniel Fast. And there's also another PDF or 2 other PDFs that I have on the website. A free shopping list, which goes with this meal plan, and then also a free 7-day Daniel Fast journal PDF that you can use to track your progress, track your spiritual growth, your mental health, and your physical health throughout the 7-day fast. The fasting journal also includes biblical verses to keep you in God's Word and inspired every day. So before starting this 7-day Daniel Fast meal plan, it's important to remember what Daniel said about his fast. So in Daniel chapter 1, verse 8, he says, "But Daniel proposed in his heart that he would not defile himself with the portion of the king's delicacies, nor with the wine which he drank." And then in Daniel chapter 10, verse 3, he says, "I ate no pleasant food, no wine or meat came into my mouth, nor did I anoint myself at all till 3 whole weeks were fulfilled." So what this means regarding his meals is that the food and drink that Daniel consumed during his fasting was not meant to be food that he craved, but instead food and drinks that he needed to feel nourished each day. So he also acknowledges that the king's food would defile his body, meaning degrade or poison, which is sinful. So the Daniel Fast will help you get away from those cravings of foods and that are sinful and help you break food addictions. So this menu was created with these methods in mind. The meals are simple and delicious, but the idea of this fast is to not be too concerned with decadence like the king's food. So when we focus on satisfying our flesh, like our tastes and our desires, it's hard to satisfy our spirit and serve God. So by choosing meals which are simple and nourishing, we can get full without being sinful, like overindulging on unhealthy foods and drinks. So when we aren't in sin, we can get closer to God and feel joyful and peaceful. By meal prepping our food ahead of time, we don't have to focus each day on cooking or deciding which meals to eat. So when we've already meal prepped our food, it almost forces us to eat the meals that are prepared because we don't want to waste food that's already been prepared. And it makes it easy to stick to the fast because the meal prepped food is often quicker to reheat than preparing a meal that is unhealthy or sinful. So some meal prep tips that I have in this PDF is that it's ideal to have 4 days of meal prep containers available for smoothies, breakfast, snack, lunch, and dinner. This way, all of your meals are already portioned, which saves time, effort, and cleanup each day. The menu is varied enough so you don't get too burnt out on these meals throughout the 7-day fast. And I created a 7-day fast instead of a 10-day fast or a 21-day fast because 7 days is really easy to just repeat. So if you want to do 10 days, just repeat the same menu. Or if you want to do 21 days, repeat it, and so on. So the menu on the 7-day meal plan that I've created here, on days 1, 2, 3, and 4, you're going to have a green apple smoothie, hot cacao drink, oatmeal or oat bars, fruit, berries, and nuts or Brazil nut milk, hummus, veggies, and flatbreads for lunch. And then for dinner, you're going to have queso, beans, greens, and a rice bowl. And then on days 5, 6, and 7, you're going to have, again, a green apple smoothie in the morning, hot cacao drink, tofu scramble with greens, then fruit, berries, and nuts or Brazil nut milk as a snack, and hummus and veggies and flatbread for lunch. And then dinner changes, you're going to have roasted potatoes and vegetables. So if you go to my website, dailyfoods.com, you can download this 7-day meal plan and meal prep guide, as well as you can also get links to the recipes for these menu items. And then the 7-day meal prep plan is also listed, which makes it really easy each day when you're doing your meal prep to have a step-by-step guide of what to meal prep. Then for each day, I also list out what you're going to do every day to serve the food that you're going to eat. So for example, day 1, you're going to blend the smoothie, make the hot cacao mix so that you can have that for 7 days really quickly and easily in the morning. Then you're going to make a big batch of oatmeal or oat bars. Then you're going to make Brazil nut milk if you want, which I share on the recipe on the website. Then you're also going to make a big batch of hummus to last you for 4 days. You're going to chop some veggie sticks, put those into meal prep containers with the hummus. Then you're also going to either buy or make unleavened bread, which I share a recipe for on the website. Then you're going to make queso for 4 days, prepare some beans, cook your rice, and then you're going to pre-portion those dinners into meal prep containers so when you're ready, you can just reheat the food and enjoy it. And then, for example, the meal prep on day 4 is really simple. Same thing, you're going to blend your smoothies, you're going to make your tofu scramble, make your Brazil nut milk, make your hummus, chop your veggie sticks, bake your bread if you're baking your own, and then roast your potatoes and vegetables, and then portion that again into meal prep containers. So I also share a meal prep equipment guide on my website, dailyfoods.com, where I share with you like the meal prep equipment that I use every day to prepare my daily fast meals or Daniel fast meals. And then I also share with you like the meal prep containers that I like and the blender, the food processor, and things like that as well. So I hope this was helpful for you. If you're starting a Daniel fast, go check out this free printable on my website, linked below in this video, and I wish you luck on your Daniel fast. See you later. Bye.